India's 88-hour Operation Sindoor was just a trailer. The news in detail. First, let's take a look at the local stories. Raj Bhavan, Shillong today celebrated the statehood and foundation day of 17 states and union territories, promoting the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. A cultural program at the Dorbar Hall began with Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar lighting the ceremonial lamp, followed by video messages from governors and a showcase of each state and union territory's achievements. In his address, the governor congratulated all 17 states and union territories and called for continued unity and cooperation as India moves towards Viksit Bharat at 2047.
Let us take this occasion to honor the people, culture and achievements of each these regions and to express our collective resolve to continue strengthening the bonds that hold our great republic together. On this joyous occasion, I extend my warm greetings and best wishes to the people of all the states and union territories. May they continue to prosper and contribute to the peace, progress and unity of our nation. Before I conclude my speech, some of the stalwarts, highest authorities in the defense, they all had come and participated in this program.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the Japanese language training program of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society in Shillong. He highlighted the state's growing partnership with Japan, noting that 37 Meghalaya nurses are currently working there and contribute about Rs 5 crores annually in foreign exchange. Sangma said the program, run in collaboration with the Asian Group, will help more youth access job opportunities in Japan, with training now offered locally in Shillong. At least 86 students are enrolled to undergo the 6-month course. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the new Jengjal Police Station building in West Garo Hills today. Strategically located, this police station will play a crucial role in strengthening law and order, improving response times and ensuring the safety and security of residents. Its model design will also be replicated in other locations to further enhance policing infrastructure. In his address, the CM said despite many challenges, the police force has shown great commitment in performing their duties and maintaining peace in different areas of our state.
Here in Jengjal in West Garo Hills, and you can see this beautiful new building behind me. This is a modern police station, and we're so happy that this has been inaugurated. And just for the information of our citizens, that this police station has been made as per the standards that have been laid down by Government of India. So this is one of the most modern as well as full facilities and infrastructure police station in the entire state, and we are hopeful that slowly we'll be able to replicate this model and have this in other parts of the state also.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala alleged that illegal coal activities persist in Meghalaya with backing from those in power, citing widespread unofficial money collection affecting legal transport. It may be mentioned that a panel report showed that only 3,563 metric tons, just 1.67% of the 2,13,568 metric tons of coal auctioned earlier this year was sold. The PP Katake Committee said it is working to improve the auction process for reassessed coal through Coal India Limited.
Today, somebody gave a report at their school. It's given by the deputy commissioner, it's given by the police, it's given by different agencies. And tomorrow they said that this is illegal. And day after tomorrow they said, okay, auction it. Auction has been done. And there's no transportation. This is official, they cannot say. And they cannot keep on changing the data. So I think the committees which looks after this also are involved in this. Otherwise, they keep on changing the data. They keep on changing the system. The fact about the coal is that when the NGT stops the coal, they stop suddenly. There's a huge chunk of coal, huge investment was left there. And when they stopped the coal, it was stopped without proper planning. So definitely there will be a huge stock of coal in the jungle, in the roadside, and some on the transportation. The problem is that the government is not taking seriously whether they want to stop or not, whether there's illegal coal or not. The governments, I think they're living with illegal.
NPP Working President and Cabinet Minister Marcus Marak said the Congress wave has fallen flat after Bihar polls and sees no major challenge from Congress in the upcoming GHADC elections. He acknowledged some anti-incumbency but highlighted the NPP government's achievements. Candidate lists are expected by mid-December, and Marak dismissed claims of voter bribery as baseless.
I don't say that it will be a cakewalk, because every election has a different test altogether. You all know that. So definitely Congress's web has gone down. The kind of web they were trying to bring in has gone down after the Bihar election. So therefore, it is to be seen what kind of a web will be there in the district councils. Obviously, we are hopeful of getting support from the people of Garo Hills, because the state government is performing under the leadership of Conrad Kesama, which is the majority party, that is NPP. And in district council also, we have resolved the issues pertaining to district council issues. So therefore, we are hopeful, because the district council process of reformation has already started. Now in district council, we need reform. And people of Garo Hills also need that reformation. So it is possible only with the mandate given to, if mandate is given to NPP party only. So NPP can assure the people of Garo Hills that we will be able to provide stable and then vision-wise reformation for district council in Garo Hills.
And now for some regional news. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat arrived in Assam today for a two-day visit as part of the organization's centenary celebrations. After landing at the Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, he headed straight to the Sudarshanalaya at Barbary in Guwahati. This is his second visit to Guwahati this year. In February, he spent 5 days in the city interacting with Karyakartas on key organizational issues. And here are the top stories from national news. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi said terrorist activity in Jammu and Kashmir has significantly declined, with 31 terrorists neutralized this year, 61% of them Pakistani. Speaking at the curtain raiser for the Chanakya Defence Dialogue 2025 in New Delhi, he described Operation Sindoor, which ended in 88 hours, as a trailer of India's preparedness. He warned that sponsors of terrorism would face a befitting response and stressed that talks and terror cannot coexist.
मेरे ख्याल से ये तो एक बड़ी चेतावनी बन के रहेगी, क्योंकि जब आप स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिज्म या राज्य प्रायोजित आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देते हैं तो ये हमारे लिए, भारत के लिए बहुत चिंता का विषय बन जाता है। क्योंकि देखिए, हम तो एक उन्नति की बात करते हैं, हम सबको साथ में लेके चलने की बात करते हैं, तो जो भी हमारे काम में रोड़ा अटकाएगा उसके लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। अब जहां तक न्यू नॉर्मल का सवाल है, आप देखिए, हमने तो यही बोला है कि पानी और खून एक साथ नहीं बह सकता, ब्लड एंड वाटर कांट फ्लो टुगेदर, टॉक्स एंड टेरर कांट बी टुगेदर, यानी बातचीत, संवाद और आतंकवाद एक साथ नहीं चल सकता है। तो हम तो सिर्फ यही बोल रहे हैं कि आप शांति की प्रक्रिया अपनाइए, हम भी उसका साथ देंगे। जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब जो आतंकवादी हैं या उनके आका हैं वो हमारे लिए समान मान है। दूसरी चीज ये है, जो भी आतंकवादी को बढ़ावा देगा 1.0, तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं। और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए।
A Delhi court today sent Amir Rashid Ali, accused in the Red Fort blast case, to 10 days National Investigation Agency custody for interrogation. Ali, from Kashmir and linked to Umar Muhammad Nabi, was arrested in Delhi after the car used in the attack was traced to him. The NIA is coordinating with multiple state and central agencies as the investigation continues. The NIA is coordinating with Delhi Police, Jammu and Kashmir Police, Haryana Police, Uttar Pradesh Police and several central agencies as it continues its probe across multiple states.
जानकारी मिल रही है एनआईए की आमिर को लेकर बस के जरिए एनआईए कोर्ट पहुंची है पटियाला कोर्ट को पेश किया जाएगा और
Minister of State for Defence Sanjay Seth today met 15 IDEX winners showcasing advanced aerospace and defence innovations at the Vista Startup Zone of Dubai Airshow 2025. Defence Research and Development Organisation is presenting India's latest strategic and technological capabilities at the event from 17 to 21st November. An Indian Air Force contingent, including the Surya Kiran aerobatic team and Tejas fighters, has also arrived to take part in the global show featuring over 100 air forces. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan today inaugurated the two-day AI Impact Festival 2025 at Dr. Ambedkar International Centre, New Delhi. The India AI Impact Festival is an initiative aligned with the National Education Policy or NEP 2020. It aims to promote AI readiness among students and educators, fostering innovation, creativity and problem-solving skills through the use of AI technology and social skills and tinkering skills in an inclusive manner.
हम सबकी लक्ष्य है 2047 तक भारत को विकसित देश बनाना, डेवलप्ड देश बनाना। उसमें आज की जो सब इनिशिएटिव हो रहा है ये उसकी कैटलिस्ट बनने वाला है। मैं इंटेल को इसके लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। मैं आज शुभेच्छा देता हूं, दो इनिशिएटिव आज नया शुरू किया गया। एक का हमारे बीच में एस्ट्रोनॉट है, हमारे देश में 2 इंडिजिनस एस्ट्रोनॉट है। हम लोग जब बच्चे थे तब गगन में राकेश शर्मा जी गए थे। आप जब बच्चे हो अभी ग्रुप कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला गगन यात्री बने थे।
Next mission is very clear. I think already laid down है गगनयान मिशन followed by भारतीय अंतरिक्ष स्टेशन और लैंडिंग ऑन मून। और आज यहाँ आके बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सपेक्टिव एक मिला कि AI इन स्पेस जो लॉन्च किया गया है, मुझे लगता है कि आज जब 2025 में हम मिशन अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, जब हम ह्यूमंस को भेजेंगे, तो जो टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, स्पेशली इन टर्म्स ऑफ AI, हमें उसका यूज़ करके वो जो डिज़ाइन है उसको उतना ही एफिशिएंट और यूज़र फ्रेंडली बनाना है, ताकि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व कर सकें एंड ऑटोमेशन का यूज़ कर सकें यूजिंग दीज टूल्स दैट वी हैव टुडे। तो मुझे लगता है ये बहुत अच्छी पहल है जो आज हमें आया हूँ इस चीज़ को देख के, और स्पेशली बच्चों ने जो सोल्यूशंस बनाए हैं बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग, अलग अलग तरीके से जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छी पहल है और एक ये नज है उनको एक सही डायरेक्शन में कि कैसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल को डेवलप किया जाए AI को यूज़ करके।
Let's take a look at the top stories from around the world. Bangladesh's International Crimes Tribunal has sentenced former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to death for crimes against humanity related to last year's student-led protests. Tried in absentia along with ex-Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, Hasina fled the country, while former Police Chief Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun, in custody, testified against them. Security has been heightened in Dhaka and surrounding districts ahead of the verdict, which could have major political repercussions ahead of national elections. The death toll in the Gaza Strip has risen to 266 since the ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas came into effect on October 10, according to health authorities in Gaza on Sunday. In the past 72 hours, 17 bodies were brought to Gaza hospitals, including 2 new fatalities and 15 bodies recovered from the rubble, with several victims still trapped under debris or on the streets due to challenging rescue conditions. The overall death toll in Gaza had reached 69,483, with 1,70,706 others injured since the latest round of the Israel-Hamas conflict erupted on October 7, 2023. And now for some sports news. Indian weightlifter Saikhom Mirabai Chanu has bagged the Sportsperson of the Year award at Delhi Sports Journalists Association Annual Awards. In her speech, Chanu shared her plans to transition from the 49 kg to the 53 kg weight category ahead of the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, following challenges in the Olympics roster. She has expressed confidence of participating at the 2028 Olympics.
हर चीज मतलब मेहनत करके ऊपर तक आता है, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आज सभी स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट वालों के साथ में ये बीच में खड़ी हो पाई हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा आज, और हर प्लेयर्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट के साथ रहना, क्योंकि हम मेहनत करते हैं पर हमारी ट्रेनिंग के बीच में हमारे जो स्ट्रगल है उन सबको सिर्फ मेरा सर और मेरा फैमिली को ही पता रहते हैं कि हमने कितना साल से घर छोड़ के ट्रेनिंग किया है। वो सब स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट वालों ने सबको बताया है, दिखाया है। तो ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट होते हैं कि मैं कहाँ की हूँ, मैं कहाँ से बिलोंग किया है, मेरा घर में कैसा है, वो सब एक प्लेयर्स के जो लाइफ का हिस्ट्री जो है वो सब दिखाया है। तो उन सबको दिखाने के लिए, सबको बताने के लिए हम कितना मेहनत करना पड़ते हैं, कैसा मेहनत करके, कितना हम स्ट्रगल करके हम ऊपर तक पहुँचते हैं। तो ये सब सभी को बताने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
Now let's take a look at the weather report. First, the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature of 27 degrees Celsius were recorded. The relative humidity is 80%. Moving on to Shillong, 9 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 22 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature and relative humidity of 67% were recorded today. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature 9 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 67%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says dry weather most likely. Before winding up this news bulletin, the headlines once again. Raj Bhavan marks Statehood Day of 17 states and union territories. Meghalaya governor calls for unity and cooperation. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates new Jengjal police station. Station's model designed to be replicated in other locations, says CM. NPP sees no major challenge in GHADC polls. Congress wave falls flat after Bihar polls, says Cabinet Minister Marcus Mara. Army Chief Upendra Dwivedi warns Pakistan, says 88-hour Operation Sindoor was just a trailer. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until tomorrow, thank you for tuning in with us. Good night.